Dr. L.M. Parashar. Dr. L.M. Parashar is MBBS, MS-ENT. He's a head and neck surgeon with more than 37 years experience. He is the director at the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Faridabad. Renowned ENT surgeon practicing in Delhi, NCR. He is a Nation Talent Scholar, MBBS from Maulana Azad Medical College and Masters in Surgery from Maulana Azad. He has expertise in treating and managing diseases of the ear, nose and throat along with head and neck, and also undertakes surgeries for the same. He is the esteemed member of many prestigious health institutions and medical bodies, having served as a secretary of the Association of Otolaryngologists of India, and to provide top quality compassionate treatment for his patients every day. At present, Dr. Parashar is practicing in Apollo Spectra Hospital, Kailash Colony. So his talk and presentation is on modern medicine, strengths and limitations, holistic approach. He could not make it to the seminar, so I will be sharing his presentation on his behalf with the delegates. Modern medicine, benefits and limitations, a holistic approach. Medical science. Medicine is the science and practice of caring for a patient, managing the diagnosis, prognosis, prevention, treatment, palliation of their injury or disease, and promoting their health. Modern medicine generally alludes to evidence-based medical practice, allopathic medical practice, and modern medicine is modern medical science. Contemporary modern medicine applies biomedical sciences, biomedical research, genetics, medical technology to diagnose, treat and prevent injury and disease, typically through pharmaceuticals or surgery, but also through therapies as diverse as psychotherapy, external splints and traction, medical devices, biologics, ionizing radiation, among others. So, modern medicine, armamentarian, pharmaceuticals, surgery, psychotherapy, external splints and traction, medical devices, biologics, ionizing radiations. Modern medicine versus the traditional, the alternative systems of medicine. As already stated, modern medicine includes the armamentarian of pharmaceutical, surgery, psychotherapy, external splints and traction, medical devices, biological and ionizing radiations, and the alternative or traditional systems of medicine include homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, acupressure, chiropractic, herbal medicine, Reiki, meditation, massage, aromatherapy, among others. Modern medicine is the notable triumphs what modern medicine has achieved, which separates it from the traditional and the contemporary and the alternative systems. Relief from pain, which is predictable and reliable. Conquest of the infectious diseases, a big breakthrough in managing infections. Safe anesthesia, another area of great progress, and managing complex surgeries, open surgeries, endoscopic, laparoscopic surgeries, robotic surgeries. But it has its own limitations regarding chronic ailments, lifestyle diseases, and the biggest which modern medicine has not been able to really achieve is how to remain healthy, that is preventive health care. Solutions: integrative approach, holistic health and well-being. Modern medicine ideally should coexist and as it has been benefited from inputs from all other sources, it should in turn help other remedial sciences to develop scientific temperament and zeal for research. Thank you so much.